Hey guys, today I will tell about a web app by Bodhi AI which lets you track your reading habits. It gamifies your reading sessions and gives you all the analytics about your reading habits, such as how many pages you read per hour, what genres you love the most. You can set your goals and win medals and achievement, get a dopamine hit every time you reach your goal. Let's see how it works. Let's sign in through Google. Now you can see the home page. Here I have read more than 10 hours in total. I'm currently reading 6 books, out of which I have completed 1 book. Here in recent activity you can see I am reading Mindful Zen Habits. I last read it on November 11th for 22 minutes. In total, I have completed 48 pages out of 155 pages, a total of 31%. You want to see something more interesting? The AI in this system detects my reading pace and based on my previous reading habits tells me that I will finish this book by the 15th of November. Cool, isn't it? Now let's see the charts. First chart tells us about how many minutes did we read each day. For example, I read 50 minutes on the 4th of November. Secondly, it tells me how fast I am reading each book. Currently, I am reading 6 books, so speed with which I am reading every book is mentioned. Thirdly, it shows the graph of the genres of books I read by how much time I invest compared to others. These were some of the features right now. We are working to add more features. Come on, sign up and start using it. And tell us what other features you want, and we will make them. Enjoy reading. Now you got a reason.